When I started here, Key Project had never gone for an OHA grant, but we were serving more than 90% Native Hawaiian. And of course, I'm Native Hawaiian. And I thought that OHA would be the best place for the kinds of projects we wanted to do. Our seabed, or our Community Economic Development Project, started off with a youth asset building program. And in that program, we had 10 youth that we helped identify strengths and skills and build assets. And we helped them to understand that an asset is anything that increases your ability, your worth, your value.
We have a program called Kipai Pai, which means to inspire. We have young first-time mothers. They come to learn about different parts of this program that we have. We have 5 different components in this program, which touches on parenting workshops, career development, financial literacy, and so we help them zero in on their asset and teach them about the different things, what an asset is.
This group, Kipai Pai, which is a fascinating group, you know, with OHA funding, we've had the opportunity to bring some cohorts forward, to have them gather here, to take advantage of the gathering place that Key Project offers. A safe setting, a place where they can talk among each other about things that they face together. The first cohort were teenagers. This group are young mothers. We watch people transition through from early childhood on up to being young mothers and fathers, and on up through our programs to the seniors who are here every day. The very first time that we got funded from the Office of Hawaiian Affairs was within the past couple of 3 years. And yet, most of the population that is taking advantage of programs offered here at Key is part Hawaiian. It just happens to be the case. We don't target part Hawaiians, but that's the case. We're a very strong community that way, and so it's been really helpful to have OHA's funding for Key.